Hi, so in the last video we did an example of graphing waves, and in this video I want to do another example of graphing a wave. So in the last video we graphed y equals 2 sine of 2 pi x minus 2 pi, and in the video before that we actually learned how to graph waves. In the last video actually we did both of that. We graphed this and we learned how to graph waves. So in this video we're going to do one more example of graphing a wave. So let me draw my x and y axes. So there's my x and y axis. And let's graph y equals sine. No, let's graph y equals 2 sine of, let's see. Let's say let's say 2 sine of pi x minus pi. Actually, let's do minus 2 pi. Okay, so that's the wave we're going to graph. So let's start by finding where the wave starts. So the wave will start minus c over b units. In this case, a equals 2, b equals pi, and c equals minus 2 pi. And remember, the wave always starts minus c over b units from the origin. So that would be minus 2 pi divided by b, which is pi, which would be 2 pi over pi, which is just 2. So this wave will start 2 units from the origin at 2, 0. So 2, 0 is where the wave will start. And then let's find where the wave will repeat itself. Well, the wave will repeat itself 2 pi over b units. So 2 pi divided by b. In this case, b equals pi. So 2 pi over pi is just 2. So the wave will repeat itself after 2 units. So it will repeat itself at 4, 0. That's after 2 units. Okay. And then the halfway point is when the wave will actually start going down. So that will be at 3, 0. And then at the amplitude is 2. So this is 2. And then let's say this is minus 2. And it reaches its highest and lowest points at the halfway point between these. So the amplitude is 2, so it goes 2 units below and 2 units above the origin. So that means the coordinates of this point must be, what's the halfway point between 2 and 3? Because that's where what the x coordinate will be. Well, the halfway point between 2 and 3 is 2.5 or 5 halves. And then it goes 2 units above the x-axis, so it's 5 halves, 2. And then over here, what's between 3 and 4? That's just 7 halves. And then it goes 2 units below the x-axis, so it's 7 halves, negative 2. And then if we connect the dots, we get our wave. And the wave will repeat itself every 2 units because 2 pi over b is just 2. So the waves repeats itself every 2 units, so the waves period is 2. So that's another example of graphing waves, and that's going to be my last example of graphing waves. Hope you like this video.